Hello and welcome to Swahili Visualized. Today we're looking at AMKA, which means to wake up, and also Tembea, which means to walk. So AMKA means wake up. Niliamka, that means I woke up. Ninamka, that means I am waking up. Nitaamka, that means I will wake up. Niamke, that means so that I will wake up. So that's something that will happen in the future, and you want to say you will wake up to do something else. So Niliamke. So ni means I. Li is past tense, that means walk. So Niliamka means I woke up. It becomes past tense. Ninamka. Na is present, so that's now. So that means I am waking up. Nitaamka. Ta is future tense, so that's the will part. So I will wake up. Next, we look at Tembea, and Tembea means walk. Alitembea, that means he walked or she walked. Anatembea, na is past tense, so Anatembea means he or she is walking. And as we've seen, li is past tense, so now na is present. Akitembea, that means something that's happening at the same time. So while he or she is walking. So maybe he's singing while walking. He's dancing while walking. So you use that word Akitembea. Means concurrent event, things happening at the same time. So while walking, he was doing something else. Atatembea. Ta is present. So Atatembea. And that's where you see that will. That's something that will happen in the future. So he or she will walk. Atatembea. Atakuwa akitembea. So ta part there is future. Kuwa means something that will be happening at the same time, concurrently, in the future. Akitembea. So he or she will be walking. Or while he or she will be walking. So actually, that's better. So while he or she will be walking. Alikuwa akitembea. So li is past tense, and similar to what we just saw, see, this is something that was happening while he or she was walking. So while he or she was walking. So maybe you want to say he was dancing while walking. Yeye, hutembea. So hutembea, that's something that happened repeatedly, often. So that's actually present simple tense. So it's something that happens every time. So yeye hutembea, that means he or she walks. So yeye hutembea jioni, if you say jioni, that means he or she walks in the evening. So jioni is evening. So if it's something that happens every day in the evening, then you say yeye hutembea jioni. He or she walks in the evening. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this presentation, please like the video and also subscribe.